second step here, which is E, embrace your feelings. So we do this very consciously because a lot of the challenge we experience in our daily lives is actually our resistance to our emotion. So in this moment, I just encourage you to say out loud, or you might like to do it in writing, but let yourself know, oh, sweet Zoe, sweet Eric, communicate to yourself and let yourself know, I have so much time, space, and love for you right now. I see you, I hear you, I welcome you. So the focus here is just allowing time and space for these feelings. And please do be aware, are you resisting feeling? Because often the biggest challenges in our life is actually the energy that we're putting into resisting feeling. It's like, no, I don't want to feel that. No, that's not true. So actually just being aware of, nope, I have time, I have space, I'm letting it in, I'm allowing this feeling. What if this feeling had the keys to all my joy and my love? I'm going to let in this sadness. I'm going to let in this fear. I'm letting go of any part of me that might be resisting, avoiding, denying. And I do like to, in an abstract kind of way, just, give that feeling a bit of a hug. When we think about embracing, we do think about hugging. So just take a small moment to accept, to give these challenging feelings a hug. As we move on to the third step here, which is E, express your feelings. And